Hello guys, I bought this new Echo grass trimmer and this is the first day I use this, and now the string is very short, so I bought new roll, and this also 8 these cutting edge trim came with the trim line came with the box, but I was having a hard time to figure this out, how to put it in and how to remove the old one. Okay. As per the instruction, it just says here, remove the line and reload the new line, and it shows the direction here, so I was trying to do that, but it was not working. So supposed to insert this way and pull basically this way. So I checked the manual also, which looks like saying the same thing. Just turn the engine off, insert one piece of trim through the eyelet on each side and route the line as shown. So remove the nylon and nylon in the direction as shown, so which is this one. Okay, and inserting this way. So it's giving a little bit hard time. I try to search this. There's nothing much on their operational manual. Same thing online as well. So I decided to search some more, and I found that there's another way that you can use the plier, because it's a little bit harder to pull, and try to pull it, which we're going to try now. So I did a little bit of pull with the plier, and I was able to pull this out. Okay, I'm gonna try same thing here. Like the thing is, if you try with the fingers, it won't work, which is as shown in the figures or online. So you just need a little bit more force. Recommend to use a nose plier or just plier to pull this out. So I couldn't find a plier just handy. I have this cutter, which I'm gonna try it, just pull it and hope this will work. So what you need is a little bit of pull, which you cannot do with the fingers, and then once it's unlocked, then you can just pull it out with the fingers. Okay. So I have a replacement string, I have a roll, and these pre-cut also, which came with the trimmer. So the way to insert this is just follow the this arrow and insert from this side. So basically what is there are rollers which are catching the string and won't let it come out this way, at least. That's why you have to pull the other way. So you want to push only until you see this on the other side. You can do a little bit more, so if you want to make it smaller, and do the same thing with this other one. So I have another one, and go to the arrow. One. Just push until you see it here, and that should be it. Thanks for watching the video, and hope you
Please
enjoyed
like
this.
and share
It's a more
and
informative.
subscribe.